Oh, right, you guys, welcome back. I rebought the Avenger 25th anniversary. I know I had it once, so I sold it. But I'm kind of glad Spin Master released it again. But they should really release other paint jobs. Like, there's a purple one, there's a yellow Avenger. I'm surprised Spin Master doesn't do that. So here, guys, Avenger 25th. Part of the Arena Favorites. Back of it, of course. All I need is Classroom Crusher, which I want the most. Ringling, Train Truck, and Dragon have a whole set. But I'm after Classroom Crusher. If anyone has an extra Classroom Crusher, let me know in the comments they want. Here we go, guys. Ooh, okay. I haven't seen this Avenger in a while. Sorry about that. Okay, here it is. Avenger, guys. Got the green rims and beadlocks. Gray roll cage. It says Avenger with the skull on the side. It says 25th with the headlight printing. Look at that. It's like different. The paint. It's like a matte sort of, and it has a clear coat, but not as much as the original release. There it is, guys. Avenger with the flames. Slap and stick, and it has a little duck there. Pretty cool, guys. I like this truck a lot. Light green. Looks like a neon green. The rims and the chassis looks neon green. Or like a lime green. But it's pretty cool. BKT printing, guys. So that's all I got today, guys. Hopefully I find those. Let me know if you have a Classroom Crusher. An extra that you don't want no more. Like, subscribe, comment, share your more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.